Make him go bananas.
Woohoo, that is insane. Check out this sound. Oh my god, welcome everyone. So recently I've been making a lot of future bass and I feel like I've been making future bass for too long, too much future bass, and I need something different right now. So I made some coffee and we are gonna make some beats. I feel like making some really heavy bass drop. So let's do this. Okay, so I have a lot of really heavy hitting drum sounds. That is gonna be a sample pack in the future. But they are really heavy and I feel like they can really fit some heavy bass. I do not have any hi-hats here, but I have some hi-hats in Galaxy. Everyone, shameless plug everyone, Galaxy is the latest and the greatest, in my opinion, and lots of people. Future bass sample pack. If you wanna check it, just check out the link in the description. If you don't wanna check it, anyways, sight in that subscribe button. Ooh, that is so heavy. Oh, and I got this plugin recently. It shows you the waveform of whatever. So what I usually do is I want to just kind of smoothen out the volume of the drums. Just kind of compress them, keep the maximum level of the drum at a steady level. So I have this plugin, free clip, so like a limiter, but it also saturates your sound when it starts to clip. Okay, so we need sounds. How can we create some glitch, really cool sounds? I've been thinking about using Reactor 6, drinking some coffee, and using some form. This new Save Yourself EP by Virtual Riot, it's the best thing I've heard in my entire life. Although it's a pretty short life, but it's insane. It's intense. Seriously, I listen to this EP every single day. It is so insanely amazing. We have the song inside form, and now we can just load sample. It is gonna start to play. We don't want to steal samples, we want to make something unique, right? So even if we throw a song in here, we can still create something unique, something that has never been created and sounds original. Obviously, it's gonna be sounding a little bit similar to the original song because, well, we are using this as a baseline for our sounds, but it's gonna sound unique still. That is cool. Okay, so the way we're gonna be making this drop is we're gonna be resampling a lot. So this is just a loop, so we can just skip it here. And then let's just find another one. I have an idea. Another glitch. Let's try this one. Okay, I like this so much. Change this to back and forth. Ooh. Okay, so we got a lot of sounds, now we can start arranging them and creating something really epic and heavy. This is some must die shit and space laces and must die. Woohoo, that's gonna be so cool. So let's try this one. Okay, so we need a really heavy bass, like a really heavy 808. So we will need... Is this the right shape? I'm trying to make a boombox cartel type of lead. We can do a little bit of movement. Okay, Oh, that sounds pretty nice. Heavy as hell. Another one. Ooh, hehe, that's nice. Okay, we can layer this. Some mid-side EQ, because we have already a mid signal. We want this to be on sides. Wait, what am I doing? Oh, and we don't need low in here also. Okay, how should we construct the rhythm of the song? The beginning is pretty nice. I'm gonna find some chant and to see how this works with like a pre-drop something.
This is all over the world.
Huh. Looking at our situation right now on Earth, this is gonna be catchy.
This is all over the world.
Make him go bananas. Make him go bananas.
Okay, let's take a tone fill.
Bananas.
Okay, let's see more sounds. Let's do the second part. What about like oh, this one is cool. Ooh. Okay, 400, 420. Okay, cool. Okay, we need some OTT. I didn't add any effects yet. So like OTT would be really cool. Okay, maybe just a tiny bit of the reverb on this guy. Okay, oh, this is adding some like a deep, really nice deep layer to this sound. Okay, this is pretty beefy. Heck yeah. Heck yeah.
Make him go bananas.
Ratch. Let's try this one. Also, we need some... Okay, I want to check one thing, because I heard this in Virtual Right's song that he is doing like when there's a really heavy part, he does like creates like really quick hi-hats. Yeah, sounds pretty nice. Okay, that is cool. Let's listen to this.
Make him go bananas.
Woohoo! That is insane. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. That was such a good idea to stop making future bass for a moment and just focus on some heavy shit. So let me know if you want more of these. I will definitely be making some heavy shit more and more. I love heavy shit. I actually have a side project for heavy shit. I have a project for future bass, I have a project for heavy stuff, and I have a project for lo-fi. So I want to make some heavy shit too. So if you're interested, if you know someone on Disciple, I would love to. Yeah, so let me know if you have any questions. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something. Have a nice day and see you in the next one. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, you can cite that subscribe button. Also, you can visit my site oversampled.us for some high quality samples, presets and free sounds.